What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw Totodile from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the top edge of the muzzle. Let's start over on the left and draw a curve that goes up in the middle, and we'll bend that back down on the right. Now on the side of the muzzle, we're going to draw the top edge of the eyes. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up and out toward the top, round up the top of the eye, and then come down along the side. Let's do the same thing on the right. I'm just going to line this up, go up and out, round up the eye, and then just bring that down towards the side. Now I'm going to round up the bottom of the eye and just pull that in toward that inside point. Come down and just pull that up in an angle. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside of the eye. Let's start from the very top. Just going to round up the side, come down, and then in. Let's trace this curve along the inside, going all the way around, and then in. Let's add a highlight along the top with a curve, and down and up. And we'll fill in the bottom of the pupils, going around that highlight. Now we're going to move down and draw the bottom edge of the beak. Let's start over on the left. Just going to draw a curve coming down and then in towards the center point. Go out and up towards the right. Let's fold the side of the mouth in behind. We're going to start on the left, go out, and then bend that up. Now let's draw the bottom of the mouth. Starting over on the left, come down, round up the mouth, and I'll just pull that up on the right side. Now I add two large teeth along the top. Let's start on the left. Come down and then up. And then we'll add the bottom row of teeth. Leaving a gap in the center. Let's go to the left, go up, and then down. Let's leave a small gap and draw that again. Now I'm going to draw a curve along the inside of the mouth for the tongue. Start on the top left, come down in between the teeth, go across and up towards the right. Now I'm going to add the nostrils along the top. Starting on the left, come in and down. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw on the cheeks. Let's start on the left side, curve this out, and then bend that in towards the mouth. Go back to the left side, just going to follow the curve of the mouth coming down towards the middle, and then back up towards the right. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and curve the brow going up above the eye. Go up, and just bend that down on the inside. And then in between the brow, we're going to close off the top of the head, going up and then down. Now let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start over on the left, curve the body going out and then down, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to leave a gap and draw the bottom edge of the body. Starting back on the left, come down the middle, and then bend that up. Now I tuck the thighs in behind the body in between this gap. So we're going to step up, curve the thigh going out, round this out, and then pull that up underneath the body. Just line that up on the right. All the way around, and then just pull that up. From the inside of the thigh, curve the heel coming in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. Just round out the toe and then bend that in. And there are 2 more toes on either side. Let's start from the end, curve this out, and then in, and then we'll do that one more time. Let's add that stripe in the center of the body. From the very top, bend this in and then down toward the center. Now step down and draw that same curve, coming in and then down towards the middle. Let's add one short line down the center. Now let's draw the arms coming out from the side of the body. From the very top, let's step up, curve this up, and then out. Line it up on the right side. From the end, draw the first finger, going up and then down. Let's add 2 more fingers on either side, pointing out. Out and then in, and then draw one more. Now from the bottom finger, we're just going to curve the arm coming down and then in toward the side of the body. Now I'm going to place the thumb along the inside. Let's start underneath the finger, go out and then in. Now I'm going to add the tail swinging out from the left side. Let's start underneath the arm on the inside, curve this down and then up towards the end. I'm just going to taper the bottom of the tail coming in towards the side of the leg. Let's add a large spike along the top of the tail. Now let's go back up and add that point on the outside of the eyes. From the top of this curve, we're going to step down, then this out, and then down towards the side of the head. And do the same thing on the right. Let's pull this back down and in towards the side of the eye. And we'll fill that outside area in black. And we'll finish this off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Totodile from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.